Memorizing Chinese words can be quite difficult. Well, don't worry. In this video, we will discuss techniques on memorizing Chinese words. And this time, let's focus on accounting terms. Are you ready? The first word is 资产. The Chinese character 资 means resources, while 产 means property. Property are things owned by someone. Can you guess what is 资产? In accounting, resources owned by a company is called an asset. So, I hope you guessed it right. The second word is 流动资产. 流动 is a verb which means flow or circulate. Things that flow are in liquid form. 资产 is of course an asset, as we just learned. Combining 流动 and 资产 results in liquid asset. Liquid asset is an asset that can be easily converted into cash in a short period of time. In accounting, liquid assets are reported as current assets. I guess you know the technique on remembering Chinese words now. Let's try another one. 现金. Chinese characters can have more than one meaning. The most common definition of 现 is now, but it is also defined as ready money. 金 means gold as well as money. Gold can be a medium of exchange to buy or obtain things. I think it's easy to guess. 现金 means cash. Next is 约当现金. 约 is an adverb that means approximately. 当 is a verb that means serve as. And of course, 现金 is cash. Combining these words results to approximately serves as cash, or similar to cash. In accounting, it means cash equivalent. Now, let's have another accounting term. 应收账款. Let's break down 应收. 应 is an auxiliary verb that means should. 收 is a verb that means receive or collect. Combining these two characters, 应收 means receivable. Let's break down 账款. 账 is a noun that means debt, bill, or account. 款 is a noun that means sum of money or fund. Combining these two characters, 账款 means funds on account or credit. So combining 应收, which means receivable, and 账款, which means on account, easily translates to an accounting term, accounts receivable. Next is 应收票据. You already know the meaning of 应收, so let's discuss 票据. As a noun, 票 means ticket or banknote. Another noun, 据, means an evidence, certificate, or proof. Combining these two characters, 票据 means a bill or note that serves as a negotiable instrument. Combining 应收 as receivable and 票据 as note can easily be translated as notes receivable. Next is 存货. 存 is a verb which means keep or store. 货 is a noun which means goods or commodity. Combining these two characters results to goods that you store. Can you guess now what is 存货? The answer is inventory. It's easy, right? Next is 预付款项. Let's first decompose 预付. As an adverb, 预 means in advance. As an adjective, it means prior or preliminary. As a verb, 付 means to pay. Put them together, 预付 means pay in advance. Now, what about 款项? Both Chinese characters 款 and 项 have the same meaning of sum of money. That's quite head-scratching, but you'll encounter more Chinese words with this similar pattern combination. So, putting together 预付 means pay in advance, and 款项 means sum of money, creates an accounting term, prepayment. As you observed in this video, we discussed current assets such as cash, accounts receivable, and inventory, among others. But wait, I have a bonus word for you, and that is 会计师. 会计 means accounting, while 师 means a person skilled in a certain profession. So, who's skilled in accounting profession? It's none other than accountant. I hope you enjoy and learn a lot from this video. Please comment down below if you like more of this type of video. To all learners, thanks for watching.